Hey y'all, I'm Tom, ND3N, here with a question for you. Now, did you know that you can use WSJT-X for contesting? There are already several ham radio contests that they let you use FT8 and FT4 to make contest contacts. This video assumes that you have the latest version of WSJT-X and that you are relatively familiar with the software. I also assume that your radio is connected and everything is working fine and happy between WSJT-X, your computer, and your rig. Now hopefully you've made a few contacts using FT8 or FT4 or both, but if you haven't, you'll have time to play with the modes prior to the next contest. I've put some additional information in the video description below, including the link to download WSJT-X and a step-by-step list of instructions that I'm going to go over in the video, so you don't have to take notes. It's actually a very simple process. So let's get to it.
Here's what we're going to do. A lot of times the contest organizers are going to ask you to go to a different frequency rather than the ones that are set. You see I'm on 20 meters right now with my radio set to 14.074. I want to get above that, and I'm going to make the assumption that the contest organizers are going to ask me to do the contest on 14.082. So first I'm going to show you how to add a frequency, and then I'm going to show you how to get into the contest mode. With that said, let us click on our file and go. I've got everything up here, and I am assuming that you know your way around WSJT-X. You just may never have done this before. Now we are going to add that 14.082 in FT8. And I'm going to start here with our blank one. You can pick any one of these because you're going to add from here. You select it with the left key, left key, and then you right select. Now you can delete, you can insert, you can do a save as, you can do all these things. We're going to do an insert. IARU region, you know we have region 1, region 2, and region 3. It really doesn't matter which one you set it for, so we're going to leave that at all. We're going to pull this down and say we're going to be working FT8. And you did see from here, I could do FT4, I could do JT65, I could set all of my functions to do that, but we want to be on FT8. And we're going to enter our frequency, 14.082. Make sure you get the decimal point in there. Click OK, and you'll see I now have this added to FT8 right here after FT4. Come all the way up here for the other FT8. And I'm going to now I'm going to go and show you how to get into contest mode. You click on the Advanced tab. Down here you see Special Operating Activity. Our selections are going to be, you can do a fox hunt, either you as the fox or the hound, the North American VHF contests, the EU VHF contests, the Worldwide Digi contest, that's a very popular thing to use, ARRL Field Day, or the RIDI Roundup. A lot of times the contest organizers might not have something on this list, but they'll tell you to use one of these that are on the list. So we're going to select this and say we were going to do Field Day. You'd put your Field Day exchange here, and that's pretty much all you have to do. And that's how you get into a contest after setting your frequencies. You can also set your frequencies after you got into the contest. But what you'll see now, if I go OK, Oh, all right. Well, it's not going to let me do that. We'll go with Ready Roundup. And I'm going to go OK. And you'll see it is actually going to keep a log for you. This log will be available in an ADF file. And you can go ahead and import that into whatever logging program you want to log it in. And now we're back here on our main screen for WSJT-X. And if I pull this down, you will now see that under FT8, I have this 074. I also now have a 082.
And that's all there is to it. One thing I didn't mention, but I probably should have, is that the automatic messages will change to match the contest requirements. I hope to be making contacts with you during some of the upcoming contacts that are supported by WSJT-X. As always, if you have any questions about setting up for a contest, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Also, please remember that likes are free and only take a moment of your time to show your appreciation for my efforts by clicking that thumbs up button. As always, I'm at your service, and thanks for dropping by my little shack in the corner for a ham shack chat. 7-3 for now. I'm Tom, ND3N, and I'm out.